Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday, we discussed, in the last class, we discussed binary search trees. Yes, binary search trees. So today, we want to learn how to insert an element into binary search tree, then how to delete an element from the binary search tree, all of you. Then, okay, what is binary search tree? So here binary search tree and binary tree both are same, but only the difference is in binary search tree, what are the elements? What are the elements? Those elements less than or equal to root node, those are all under right subtree. What are the elements? So greater than root node, greater than root node, those are all under right subtree. That is the difference. Whereas in binary tree, then there is no condition. Each node have maximum of two nodes. Maximum of two nodes. For example, a node have 0 nodes, 1 node, or 2 nodes. Maximum of 2 nodes. That is the binary tree. Binary search tree is also same. Binary search tree is also same. Each node have maximum of two children. Two children, all of you. So a node have 0 children, or 1 children, or 2 children. Okay, 1 child, two children. Clear, all of you? So then, but only the difference is, whereas in binary tree, then there is no condition. Okay, only one condition. Each node should have two children. Clear? Whereas in binary search tree, whereas in binary search tree, this is the binary tree representation here. A, B, D, F, I, J. This is a each node. For example, this is a root node. Root node how many childs? How many child? Child, two children. Okay. Then here B node have two children. Then I, J are the children of D. Clear? Like that. Then B. This is binary tree representation. Next one is the binary search tree representations. So in the binary search tree representation, all of you, in the binary search tree representation, each node based on binary tree data structure, which has the following properties. The values in binary search tree are distinct, clear, no duplicate values. The, the values of left subtree should be less than the root node. The values of right subtree should be greater than the root node. The left and right subtree each must also be a binary search tree. Clear? So then this is an example of binary search tree. This is 90. So 50. So 50 is less than or equal to 90. If the condition is true, it can form a left child. Then 50, this is the root node or parent node. Parent node less than elements are 20, 25 and 25. Then what are the greater than elements of 50? Get 75, 66 and 80. These are the greater. These are all under right subtree. Then these are all under left subtree. Clear? Then 90 greater than. So these are all the less than or equal to 90. These are all the greater than 90. Then there is no duplicate values. Clear? And next one is in the binary search tree. So advantages, these are all the advantages already we discussed in the previous class. So create binary search tree, how to create a binary search tree. For example, 43, then this is 43 root node, 43 next element is less than 43, then go to left subtree, then create a left subtree, then 79 is greater than 43, then go to right subtree. Next element is 90, 90 is greater than 43, 90 is greater than 79, then go to right subtree, then 12 is less than 43. Yes, am I right or not? Then the next one, 12 is greater than 10. Then that is created in a right subtree. Next one is 54. 54 is greater than 43. Then 54 is less than 79. Then create a left subtree. Next one is 11. 11 is less than, clear? 11 is less than 43. 11 is less than, greater than 10. 11 is less than 12. Then it create a left child. Clear? 9 is also less than 9. Then here 10 k. So left side vastundi. Yes. So clear? All of you, one more element is there. 50. 50 is there. 50. So then this is 50, 54 less than 50. Then simply 50 is less than 54. Then create a left child. Clear all of you. This is the binary search tree. Whereas in binary search tree, all of you here 10, 9, 12, 11. These are all the less than 43. 79, 54, 90, and 50. These are all greater than 50. What are the elements greater than root node? Those are all under right subtree. What are the elements less than or equal to root node? Those are all under left subtree. Clear all of you? This rule we should follow in binary search tree. Binary search tree is also binary tree, but this is the condition. So yesterday we discussed. Then operations on binary search trees. The following operations are performed on a binary search tree. Here search, first one is search, second one is insert, and third one is deletion. In the search, this is the algorithm for search. Already we discussed in the previous class. Then all of you, consider key 45 has to be searched in the given binary search tree or not. Okay. Here 45 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ఈ సెర్చ్ ఈ ట్రీలో ఉందా లేదో మనం చెక్ చేయాలి all of you. So then it's very easy. So 45 is greater than root node. Yes, then go to root. 45 is greater than 50. No, then take left. 45 is greater than 35. Yes, so then take left node. 45 is greater than 44. No, but then there is no element in this tray. Search is not found. Clear? So see all of you. So here we start. We start our search from the root node 25. 45 is greater than 25. So we search in 25's right subtree. Why? So our search element is greater than 25. That's why no need to take the left subtree, then go to right subtree. Clear? Next one is 45 is less than 50. Yes or no? Then go to left subtree. No need to search all these elements. Right subtree. Then the control go to left subtree. Then 45 is greater than 44. No. So we search is 44. Right subtree. But 44 has no subtrace. No subtrace. No childs. Then simply so we conclude that 45 is not present in the above binary search tree. So search is not found. So next one is insertion operation. Okay, we know insertion operation. So in the binary search tree traversals, in the binary search tree, insertion is very easy. So insertion operation. So I want to insert an element. So each element insert at leaf node only, leaf level nodes only. That's why this is very easy operation in the binary search trees. Insertion is very easy operation. Insert operation is performed to insert an element in the binary search tree. The insertion of a new key always takes place as the child of the leaf node. So to find out the suitable leaf node, search the key to be inserted from the root node till some leaf node is reached. Once a leaf node is reached, insert the key as child of that leaf node. All of you. In binary search tree వచ్చేటప్పటికి binary search tree లో insertion అనేది చాలా ఈజీ. Based on the conditions, leaf node గా insert అవనే జరుగుతుంది. ఎక్కడ లాస్ట్ లోనే మాత్రమే ఇన్సర్ట్ అవుతుంది. For example, in this example, say, consider the following example where key equal 40. I want to insert 40 is in the binary search tree. So then there is no 40. Simply here 40 is greater than 100. No. Here 40 is greater than 20. Yes. Then 40 is greater than 30. Yes. Then there is no children of 30. Then take right. Then create a node, new node that is connected to 30. Clear? All of 40, 30. Clear? So this is an example. So the 40 is a leaf node. You can take any element that is inserted at leaf level only. Clear? So we start searching for value 40 from the root node 100. 40 is less than 100. So we search in 100's left subtree. Next one left subtree. Then 40 is greater than 20. So we search in 20's right subtree, that is 30. Then 40 is greater than 30. So we add 40 to 30 is right subtree. Clear? So this is the inserts operation in binary search tree. Clear? This is an algorithm already we discussed in the last class. Next one is deletion operation. This is a little bit complicated in binary search tree. సో ఎందుకని బైనరీ సెర్చ్ ట్రీలో డిఫికల్ట్ అన్నానంటే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో రూట్ నోడ్ లీఫ్ నోడ్ డిలీట్ చేయడం డెడ్ ఈజీ, బట్ పేరెంట్ నోడ్ డిలీట్ చేయడం అనేది లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫరెన్స్, లిటిల్ బిట్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్. క్లియర్? దట్స్ వై సో హౌ టు డిలీట్ అన్ ఎలిమెంట్ in the binary search tree. Here delete operation is performed to delete a particular element from binary search tree, a particular element from a binary search, particular node from a binary search tree. When it comes to deleting a node from the binary search tree, the following three cases are possible. The first one is case 1, delete of a node having no child. Delete of a node having no child. For example, in the 20 having childs? No. So it's very easy. Clear? First one, this condition, deleting of a node having no child. Consider the following example where node with value equal 20 is deleted from the binary search tree. So 20 is greater than 50, same conditions. No, then take left subtree. 30 is greater than 20 is greater than 30. No, take left subtree 20. But 20 doesn't have any child. That's why you remove the 20. Then this 30 to left equal to null. Clear? So this is the output after deletion. So this is the tree. The first case. Next one is second case. Delete of a node having only one child. Delete of a node having only one child. All of you. Just make the child of the deleting node the child of its grandparent. Here simply I want to remove 30 from this tree. Consider the following example where node with value equal to 30 is deleted from the binary search tree. All of you. So then simply here root node to left equal to 30. Yes, I want to remove. 30 is greater than 50. No, take left. 30 equal to 30. Yes, then simply here this node to next equal to left to root node to left equal to this node to next. Clear? That is 40. Then 40 compared, then 30 is removed. This is the case. Second case. All of you. Then simply remove the root node, parent node. Then this connected to the left subtree of 50 root node. So this is the final resultant tree. Clear? In the third one, deletion of a node having two children. The second one, so deletion of a node. So here method 1. So case 2, here case 2, there are two methods. This is method 1, deletion of a node having two children. So two children. Here method 1, visit the root right subtree of the deleting node. For example, I want to remove 15. All of you. So 15. So first of all, visit root subtree, right subtree of the deleting node. Then pluck the least value element called as inordinate successor. Replace the deleting element with its inordinate successor. All of you. Then simply, so we should follow the inordinate successor also. Here example, consider the following value 15 is deleted from the binary search tree. I want to remove this one, this element 15 from this binary search tree. And also we should follow the condition. The condition is inordinate. So then simply, so okay, here simply remove 15. So then which is greater than 15? 16. This, take this, then place it into the parent node. Then 15 is removed. Then finally 15, 10, 2, 12, 15, 17 and 19. This is the final subtree after deletion of the root node. Amma, venandi okasari. Then here 15 remove cheyalaga. 15 remove cheyalante ikkada manam in order follow avali. Why in order follow avalante? Simply we should follow the in order tree traversal. Why in order follow avalante? For example, binary search tree. So whereas in order, all the elements displayed in ascending order. That's why we should follow the by default ascending order. That's why we should follow the in order traversal. Delete చేసినప్పుడు పేరెంట్ నోడ్ డిలీట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ ట్రావర్సల్స్ లో మళ్ళీ ట్రీ ఫామ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ 15 15 రిమూవ్ చేసి 17 రూట్ నోట్ చేస్తాం అనుకోండి. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ 2, 10, 12. నెక్స్ట్ 17, 16, 19. దెన్ ఈస్ దేర్ ascending order? No. That's why we should take 16 as a parent node, then 17, 19. Now 2, 10, 12 ascending order, 15, 16, 17, 19 ascending order. Okay, like that. Then this is the binary search tree, first method. The second method, so simply value 15, remove the value from 15. Then this is 12. 12 is parent node. Yes, 12 is parent node. Then 15 is removed. Then here 2, 10, 12, 7, 16, 17, 19, 20, 30. That's enough. Okay, all of you. Then this is the second method. Okay, so here take left subtree element, then or take right subtree leaf, left subtree leaf node, right leaf node, or take right subtree left leaf node. Clear? So either this or this. Okay, this is the first method, this is the second method. ఇక్కడ delete చేసినప్పుడు first method లాగా వచ్చినప్పటికీ which is the child node of the left subtree అది తీసుకొని మనం parent node గా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, or which is the left subtree right child. Clear? దీన్నైనా మనం పేరెంట్ నోడ్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. Then this is the output tree. The next one already we discussed in the previous class. Deleting a node with 2 children. So already discussed. Okay, binary tree traversals, binary search tree traversals. A binary search tree is traversed in exactly the same way a binary tree is traversed. In other words, binary search tree traversal is same as binary traversal. So remember all of you, binary search tree traversal and binary tree traversals both are same, no doubt. Okay, same algorithms, అక్కడ ఏవైతే algorithms డిస్కస్ చేసింది ఇక్కడ అవే రాయండి, no problem. So example, consider the following binary search tree. This is the binary search tree. Okay, now let us write the traversal sequences for this binary search tree. Though there are three traversal algorithms: pre-order tree traversal, post-order tree traversal, and in-order tree traversal. All of you. So in the pre-order tree traversal, root first, then left and right, then here root 100. Next one is 10, 20, 10, 30. Next one is 200, 150, 300. This is the pre-order traversals. Next one is in-order traversal, that is ascending order. All the elements displayed in ascending order in binary search tree only. So in the in-order traversal, 10, 30, 10, 20, 30. Why? Here left root and right, left root and right. Here 10, 20, 30, 100, 150, 200, 300. So simply this is ascending order elements in in-order in binary search tree traversals. Take in-order traversal, all the elements displayed in ascending order in low to high. Okay, this is an ascending order. Post-order traversal, what is a formula? Left, right, and root. That is post-order traversal. Here left 10, then 30, then root 20. Next one left 150, then the 300 and 200. Last one is 100. That is post-order tree traversal. Post-order tree traversal. All of you. So then, so these are the algorithms of binary search tree. Here simply binary search tree is also a binary tree. Binary tree. What is a binary tree? Binary tree, each parent node have maximum of 2 children. Maximum of 2 children. A parent node have 1 node, 0 node, or 2 nodes only. Clear? So ఒక నోడ్ అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, 0 అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, లేదా 2 nodes maximum ఉండాలి. అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండకూడదు. That is binary tree. Whereas in binary search tree, so what are the elements having greater than root node? Those are all under forming into a right subtree or creating a right subtree. What are the elements less than or equal to root node? Those are all under right, left subtree. Clear? That is the binary search tree. We know binary search tree, how to insert an element. So how to search an element, then how to insert an element. This is the search operation discussed now only. Then in the insert operation, this is insert operation. This is also easy, but only the difference is deletion operation. This is little bit complicated. So delete operation. Clear? These are all the operations on binary search tree. So next one is simply deleting a node in two children. Next one is binary search tree traversals, and binary search tree traversals also binary tree traversals. Then there is no difference. Same algorithms you should use. Okay, you will use here. Then three types of binary search tree traversals: in-order tree traversal, post-order tree traversal, and pre-order tree traversal. In in-order tree traversal, all the elements displayed in ascending order. So this is the in-order tree traversal, middle one. This is the tree traversal, in-order tree traversal. These are the elements displayed in pre-order traversal. These are the elements displayed in post-order traversal. Clear, all of you? Then the next one is binary. The next one is balanced binary tree. So what is balanced binary tree? All of you. So this is also binary tree. Balanced binary tree is also binary tree. A balanced binary tree, also referred to as height balanced binary tree, is defined as a binary tree in which the height of the left and right subtree of any node differ by not more than 1. To learn more about the height of a tree or node, following are the conditions for a height balanced binary tree. Difference between the left and the right subtree for any node is not more than 1. The left subtree is balanced and the right subtree is also balanced. The right subtree is also balanced. Okay, all of you, right subtree is also balanced. This is the difference of 1, difference of 0, here difference of 0, then difference of 4 equal to 0, difference of 5 equal to 0. Balanced binary tree with depth at each level. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? This is also binary tree. This is the balanced binary tree. Clear? This is the balanced binary tree. Come here, all of you. Here 0, next one 1, next one is 0, next one is 2. Why? This is difference is 1, then that is 2. So at level 1 0, a difference equal to height of left child minus height of right child. Difference equal to height of left child minus height of right child. Clear? So simple a difference here 2. So this is the height. So then here minus 1 here, that is 2. Clear? Next one is here minus 1 that is 0, then 0. So left child equal to minus 1, then right child equal to minus 1, then minus 1 equal to minus 1, that is equal to 2. Clear? So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here difference, here 1 minus, I mean here simply 3 minus 1 equal to 2. That's why this is the difference of root node. Then the difference of this one. Clear? Difference equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here 1 minus 1 0. Difference equal to 0. Clear? So this is unbalanced binary tree with the depth at each levels. So then the next one is heap. So next one, insertion and deletion in a heap data structures. Then the next, so tomorrow we will discuss. So simply what is heap? Discussion. So heap data structures. What is heap? Heap is a special case of balanced binary tree data structure where the root node key is compared with its children and arranged accordingly. Whereas if alpha has a child node beta, then child node of beta, then key of alpha greater than or equal to key of beta, then as the value of parent is greater than that of child, this property generates max heap. Based on this criteria, a heap can be two types. So max heap and minimum heap. This is an example. These are the elements to generate. So minimum heap, which is the minimum element 10. That must be a root node. Clear? Where the value of the root node is less than or equal to either of its children. So this is leaf node. That's why this is called minimum heap. So which is the minimum value? Least value 10. So that's why this is minimum heap. Then 14 is greater than, 26 is greater than root. Then all these elements are greater than 10. Then all these elements are greater than 10. Clear? So in this example, 14 is minimum heap. So in this example, so take left subtree. Then which is the parent in 14? Is there any less than element of 14? No, this is minimum heap. Is there any less than element of 19? No, for 42 and 27, not less than 92. Then this is also minimum heap. Clear? Then 26 is minimum heap of 44 and 35. 31 is minimum heap of 33. Then, so this is called minimum heap. Then the max heap, which is the maximum element in the elements. So 44 is the maximum element. So that is మ్యాక్స్ హీప్ అర్థమై ఉంటుంది అందరికి. మ్యాక్స్ హీప్ మినిమం హీప్ రూట్ నోడ్ అనేది మినిమం లెస్ దాన్ ఎలిమెంట్ అయి ఉండాలి. చైల్డ్ కంటే చిల్డ్రన్ కంటే లెస్ దాన్ ఎలిమెంట్ అయి ఉండాలి రూట్ నోడ్ అనేది. Here 44 is a root node. Clear? Then 42 is a root node. This is less than the remaining elements. No, greater than, sorry. So we are now in a max heap. Then 44 is greater than all these elements. Next 42 is greater than all these elements. 33 is greater than all these two elements. 31 is greater than 14. 35 is greater than 19 and 27. This is max heap. Clear? So insertion and deletion in heaps in data structures. Then simply binary tree, same. So little bit difference. Here if it is a greater than root node, then simply check the remaining right subtree, etc. Okay. This is an algorithm. So how to insert an element into the max heap. For example, the insert element is 30. So 30 is greater than 20. Yes. So then simply the 30 is greater than 12. They have simply, then there is no listen all of it. First simply add 30 into the leaf node. 30 into the leaf node. Then check the condition. 30 is greater than 12. Yes. Then swipe it. Then the next one 30 is greater than 20. Yes. Then swipe it. Clear? Swap it. Then simply the 30 first insert at leaf node, at leaf level. Then compare the child node greater than equal to, greater than or equal to or greater than the parent node. Then swipe it. Child parent can convert into child can convert into parent. Then again check the condition. 30 is greater than 20. Yes. Then 30 is replaced, interchanged. Root node is 30. Then the next one is parent node is 20. Clear? This is an example. All of you, this is the final tree. Okay. So then insert an element into the heap, max heap. Then this is an algorithm for deletion. So then how to delete an element from the, so which element we want to delete? Max heap. For example, 30 I want to remove from this. This is the example 30. Here simply, so which is the leaf node? So this is replaced with the root node, that is 30. Then here 12 is there. Next one is 12 20 compares. So which is greater than, leaf node is greater than the root node. Then swipe it. This is 20 and this is 12. This is the final result. Clear? So ఇక్కడ insert to delete చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఫస్ట్ లీఫ్ లెవెల్లో ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాం, దెన్ కంపేర్ చేస్తాం. లీఫ్ నోడ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ పేరెంట్ నోడ్ అయితే స్వైప్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కంపేర్ చేస్తాం అంటిల్ మెయిన్ రూట్ కంప్లీట్ అయినంత వరకు. అలాగే రిమూవ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, విచ్ ఇస్ ద లీఫ్ నోడ్ అనేది తీసుకుంటాం. ఆ లీఫ్ నోడ్ని ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ అయితే రిమూవ్ చేయాలో ఆ రిమూవ్లో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. దెన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మళ్ళీ కండిషన్స్ అప్లై చేస్తాం. సో స్వాప్ చేస్తూ మ్యాక్సిమం ఎలిమెంట్ రూట్ నోడ్కి తీసుకొని వస్తాం. Clear? So this is an example for insert and delete elements in the max heap. Okay, ma? Then tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow we will discuss. So what are the remaining topics? Tomorrow binary search tree, balanced binary search tree. So max heap, insertion into deletion from max heap, binary search tree searching, insertion deletion from binary search tree, height of binary search tree, M-way search trees and B trees. Tomorrow we will discuss M-way search trees and B trees, last topics. Okay, ma? Clear? Good. Have a nice day.